Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable two-step verification on Telegram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Enable two-step verification on Telegram improves the security of an account and can be done in a few easy steps. Telegram and many other messaging applications like WhatsApp, Discord, and popular social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram allows user to set up two-step verification. And now, how to do it on Telegram? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can just go to the settings by tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings. Tap on security and privacy. As you can see in here, my two-step verification is inactive. You can activate by tap on it. You can set password. Now you can just tap on here. You can re-enter the password. Tap in here. You can give hint for your password. You can skip this step if you want, but I will just create the hint. You can enter the recovery email. You can wait to complete two-step verification setup. You can check up your email and enter the code that Telegram just sent to you. Telegram will send you email to complete this step to enable this two-step verification on your Telegram. Let's check. So here's the code. You can just copy the code. So now you have enabled, you have activate the two-step verification on your Telegram. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable two-step verification on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.